all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can send email notifications after Typeform submission. So I regularly conduct events, and to collect the registrations for these events I use Typeform. And I want that whenever I receive a new registration, I want to instantly send an email notification confirming the registration. So to do this, I have just simply created this amazing automation, and in this video I'll show you how you can also create this. So to create this, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can send up to 100 of emails for free, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, and for that the discount coupon code is attached in the description box below. You can get a very heavy discount when you use this discount coupon code to purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. So we are on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, which is the most important window because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for Typeform. So let's search for Typeform and select it. For the event, select it as new entry and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Typeform and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with Typeform. Once you click on this connect with Typeform, what you have to do is you just have to make sure that you've logged in a Typeform account before starting with this automation. After this, you have to make sure that you give all of these permissions, and for that just click on this accept. Once you click on this accept, your Typeform account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. Now you have to select the form right over here. So as you can see, the name of my form is webinar registration form, so I'm just going to select the same right over here, and then you have to click on this save and send test request. Make sure to keep the simple response disabled as enabling it may generate an error. So keep the response format as advanced and click on the save and send test request. Now it is saying waiting for webhook response. In order to capture this webhook response, we have to do a test submission, and for that I'm just going to use this form and I'm just going to go towards this share, and what I'm going to do is I am just going to open this form and submit this form and submit it using the test details. Alright, so let's open this form in a new tab and I'm just going to register for this webinar as demo user. So I'm just going to enter all my details right over here, then I'm just going to move in further. Now it is asking me what best describes your current role, so I'm just going to select freelancer. Now it is saying what's your biggest challenge in digital growth. So if you wish, you can definitely answer this, but over here this is not required, so I'm just going to directly submit the form without answering this, and yes, it is saying you are in. So we have successfully submitted this form, and now Pabbly is going to capture this webhook response, and as you can see, we have successfully captured the webhook response where we have details of our registrant. Now let's send them an automated email. For that, what you have to do is you have to click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for Gmail and select Gmail right over here. For the event, you have to select it as send email and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Gmail and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then sign in with Google. Once we click on this sign in with Google, we have to select the Gmail account with the help of which we want to build this connection. Now Pabbly is going to ask us for some permissions, so click on this allow and give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for because our data is 100% safe with Pabbly, and like this we have created the connection between Gmail and Pabbly Connect. Now it is asking for the sender's name, so this is the sender's name, which is the digital growth team. So I'm just going to enter the same right over here. For the recipient, over here we have to enter the recipient email address. The sender's email address will remain the same. Alright, so for the recipient email address, we're just going to enter the email address of our registrant, but we are not going to enter it manually by tapping it like this, but instead we are going to map it, and in order to map the detail, put a slash and then look for the email address and map it. So why we map this detail? Because once we map these details, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. That's the reason we do mapping, so that our workflow can run in real time. It is asking for CC, BCC and reply to, so all of these three are not required. If you wish, you can definitely enter enter it. For the email subject, I'm just going to keep the email subject as this. So I'm just going to simply copy it and paste it right over here. For the email content, as you can see that I want to send advanced emails like this, and for that I have entered a HTML email content right over here too. So I'm just going to use the same email content. So I'm just going to enter it right over here too, and over here I'm also going to map the details. So first of all, to map, just put a slash and then map the first name, then put a space, and then we have to map the last name too. Alright, now you can see that I've successfully entered the email content too right over here. But you must be wondering how you can generate this HTML email content. For that, we have a complete tutorial attached right over here. Apart from this, you can use ChatGPT or Gemini to generate this content like I did. For the email content type, I'm just going to select it as HTML. For the label, I'm going to keep it as inbox. Now if you wish to attach any file, you can attach it right over here and then click on this save and send test request. Once we're going to click on this save and send test request, it is saying sent. This means that we have successfully sent this mail. So let's open our Gmail. We're going to go back and you're going to see that we have received a new mail. So let's open it. You're going to see you are registered demo user, and we have successfully sent this mail. Not only once, but now let's say I'm just going to register for this event once again, but this time with the new details, and we're just going to check that within seconds and in real time the email notification is sent or not. So let's register. As you can see, I've successfully registered for this webinar. Now let's open our Gmail, go back to its inbox, and you're going to see within seconds this email notification is received, and you're going to see it is saying you are registered smart user. So yes, not only once, now whenever a new registration comes in from this Typeform, automatically a email something like this will be sent towards them. So go and try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect, and while trying you can send up to 100 of mails for free. And yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect, and if you like it, you can definitely purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. The discount coupon code is attached in the description box below. Not only this, the workflow URL is also attached in the description box below. You can check out my mail and use this for your own webinars too. Further, if you have any doubts, drop them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.